pag nauna.
Ang pagayat na sa wood.
Hindi ko sana sa ating pinili pala niya.
Hindi na lang, diba? Napatayog sa kaibigan. Pero hindi ka pag naulit.
This is the famous shop for lemonade and fishball.
Ayan ang soda siguro na inaon. Muna, lemon soda na. Dali ka mahal mo na.
It's called Snake Time.
Mahal man.
Relations between Brazil and Portugal, they are still very good. So the Portuguese told the Japanese, if they conquer Macau, they will tell the Brazilians to expel all the Japanese immigrants who stay in Brazil. It's one of the reasons. That's why they didn't conquer Macau. The second reason is because Macau, now we have 34 square kilometers. Before we are less, because most of the land we extend it, make it reclamation. So before it's less than 30 kilometers square. So they don't want to offend Portugal because only a small place, this Macau, around 30 square kilometers, they offend Portugal. So it's not worth to do this. But they didn't destroy our building. But they use Macau as a place to put all the Japanese buying in Macau. So it is to go to China to get information convenient for them to conquer China. Okay, because Macau go to China is only 5 to 10 minutes. You can reach to China. Understand? That's why they keep Macau as a place of, to keep spy.
Ay, yung bag namin sa sasakyan eh. Ha? Iiwan ko yung bag sa sasakyan. Wala ko.
Nag-lunch tayo.
Sabi kasi babalik eh. Hindi na, mamaya na yun. Alas 3. Wala na, nandun na yun. Ang pagkain nandun. Yung mga skeleton, mga
Hindi. 20 minutes tayo.
doon.
Oo.
Diyan, tapos diretso na tayo.
Iniwan namin yung bag namin. Saan? Sa bahay. Nagibalik ka.
Ayan na ba yun?
Oo, yan yung
They don't know after they enter the scene, then they start. Okay, we are not ordinary
Church
people.
ruin.
The mother of the Japanese and Vietnamese.
So dito tatango na dito tayo sa Japan picturean sa nga siwaan at tigubuan na.
After that now is already put into the museum. This museum is free of charge. Okay, you need to pay. The one that I told you to Macau.
dito tayo sa kabila dumaan.
At nakakita ka
Ka, tapos pag tinikman mo, bili ka na.
Hanggang dito pa naman.
Kalsada. Kalsada es Paulo. Uy, may kalsada si Paulo.
Kalsada ni Paulo. Ewan ko lang kung nagdala si Juan.
Kalsada ni Pastor Paulo.
Mga pila.
Uy, mga ano. Mga hats.
Tayo sa baba. Crowd sa baba eh. Mahal din. Kapag tourist spot, walang mura. Mahal na yun kasi di ba naglakad pa sila papunta ni Degita. Kapag tawaran ko si 50. Papasok pa ba tayo sa loob?
Remains but they actually they feel boring. So,
Yes.
you tell me
Boring nga.
Yeah, you know about history? Okay, this conference was only in the year 1670. But
Oy, kon kayo.
Diyan no, may parang part dyan eh.
the Dutch come to invade Macau. Why they come to invade Macau? Because they know.
没给人给吃掉啊？
是不是毕业了？你毕业了？不然很好，对不对？啊，这样子对。对，他走了。哎，对了，来看着妈妈。好多人。
我要才一个礼拜。
Pork jerky, the top one. So very fresh in the taste. And then after that,
Oh, 10 minutes lang. Oh, can you take a picture? Ah. Yung ano lang, taas lang.
Kung hindi makita simbahan, ako na lang patindog simbahan.
Oh?
Yan, ito.
Asan yung pretties?
Dalawa na, dalawang plastic daw yun ate. Dalawa na ha. Sige, mainit, chili. Yan na, go.
试一下。
好。技术美女，好不好？啊，微信支付宝扫码。多少？
试一下，我试一下。
Ate, anong gusto nyo?
Beef ba to? Beef?
Pork,
Beef ba to?
pork. May pork, may beef ate.
Asan ang beef?
Ito beef. Ito, saw. Ayun pa.
Beef jerky.
Ipang mahal ang mini. Ang sarap. Anong gusto nyo ate?
Same beef. Beef.
Beef ito. Masarap yan. May Anong gusto mo?
Yung beef.
Anong gusto niyo po?
Beef.
Beef. Isa. Isa po.
Isa lang.
Okay.
158.
Pasok ate. Yun na lang po ang payment ate sa loob.
Yeah. Beef jerky.
$10 each photo. $10 each photo. Come on, faster. That's too late. Too late.
You try. You try. You want the pork or beef?
I got the pork.
Yan na ate. Lada, lada.
你们呢？我问他说在下面照相呢。
This for people. 3 months you can get it.
好吃好吃，100块有气好。
Enough?
Macau is famous for their jerky. Pork, beef, name it all, they have it. In shops. The church ruined. Tara na, balik na.
Kahit ano yung, kahit turo-turo basta mainit. Wala dito mga ano, yung turo-turo, ano.
Di ba nagdaanan natin kanina doon sa Stampede?
Tingnan natin dito.
Kaya nga, nandun ang... You have work tomorrow?
Ay, wala naman sa isang lapang. Ba, mahaba ang paa. Mahaba ng paa niya. Umabot.
Paabot ko rin.
Ba't ayaw nyo dyan? Every time.
Sino dito?
Meron niyo pala yung mga tubig niyo?
Oo, iniwan talaga
Jackie Chan and Zeno.
Yung pinaiwan
Because the actors